Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how can we negotiate with our country a peace deal in Europa Universalis 5. So what you'll need to do is basically go to the diplomacy. You can click on F5 or just click on diplomacy. And right here, go to the actions. And basically, if you go to the friendly actions and open this tab, you'll see that you will be able to click on separate sue for peace. And right here, you'll be able to select a country that you want to sue for peace. And basically, you will need to have some requirements to meet, like Anjou is a subject, and we cannot force until abandon someone in war until 12 months have passed. So basically, for every country, it is different. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.